We begin the breakfast bulletin with breaking news. This is regarding one of the most chilling terror crackdowns in recent times, a terror module that stretches across states and cities and even professions. A total of 15 arrests and 3 fresh detentions have been made, uncovering a disturbing network involving not just foot soldiers but doctors, also lab technicians who allegedly radicalized some youth. From Kashmir to Faridabad to Saharanpur, even Lucknow, investigators are now piecing together a terror web that had the capability, it seems, and possibly intent to strike within the country. 15 arrests have been made, 3 more detained. So far as this investigation is concerned, Akhil has been tracking the latest developments for us. He joins us live currently. Right, we're just waiting for Akhil to join us in a few moments. Anushka's with us at the moment with the latest updates. Anushka, so in total, 15 arrests and 3 more people have been detained in this case?
That's right, 15 arrests have been made and 3 more people have been detained in this case of the terror module, a web of people who are in fact using this particular place, the Al Falah University, which is at the epicenter of this particular incident. We'll try to show you some visuals also of this university, where since yesterday we are seeing a lot of police movement here. A lot of people have in fact gone inside to check whether or not more and more people were in fact involved and had known about this incident that would take place on November, that day that the incident happened. We're also showing you the visuals here. This is the Al Falah University where Dr. Muzammil Shakil and his female colleague Shaheen was in fact staying from the past 3.5 years. Shaheen is said to be from Lucknow and Dr. Muzammil is said to be from Pulwama. Now this is an entire modus operandi which involves white collar terror module and syndicate of highly trained medical professionals who are in fact involved in the blast that happened in Chandni Chowk that day. Also, what we are getting to know, the fresh information is that barely few kilometers from here is the place where Muzammil was in fact had taken a rented accommodation on September 13th. Muzammil came during the day to rent a room and brought his belongings there the same evening. Muzammil had paid 2,400 as a 2-month advance valid till November 13th, and after that Muzammil never returned to the room. 4 days ago, Muzammil told Hazi Madrasi, who was the landlord, that 2 people from Kashmir would come to collect the belongings kept in the room. Now this indicates that this was a pre-planned process. After Umar got to know that his associates were arrested, he came into panic. He developed explosive prematurely, took it to Chandni Chowk, and he was in fact also visiting several other places in Delhi NCR, mainly Mayur Vihar, Connaught Place, Sunehri Masjid, and after that he reached Chandni Chowk around evening. 6:19 PM is the time when he reached Chandni Chowk, and after that the blast took place, which has claimed lives of 9 people so far. This is the Al Falah University where Muzammil Shakil, who is also one of the prime suspect, was in fact living from the past 3.5 years. He had rented an apartment where previously Faridabad team and Jammu and Kashmir team in a joint operation had busted a long explosive overhaul. As many as 2,900 kilograms of explosives were found here, after which the police had in fact done a major crackdown, not just in Jammu and Kashmir but also in Faridabad. Now the links go as far as Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh, and we are seeing that major arrests have been made. Few people have been detained. 15 arrests and 3 people have been in fact detained is what we are getting to know from our sources. Over to you.